In a world where technology and innovation collide with military necessity, a new chapter in drone detection has emerged. The U.S. Army, stationed in the volatile heart of the Middle East as part of Operation Inherent Resolve, faces a growing threat from hostile drones. But they've turned to an unlikely ally, a smartphone app, CARPE Dronvm, that could revolutionize the way we detect and combat these airborne adversaries. The Middle East, home to Operation Inherent Resolve, becomes a theater of constant danger for our troops. Recent attacks on Al-Assad Air Base in Iraq, at Tanf in Syria, and another in January 2023 underscore the pressing need for a solution. Task Force 39, known for its innovative ideas, takes up the mantle of defense. Task Force 39 sponsors a groundbreaking test of CARPE Dronvm, a mobile phone app developed with Department of Defense funding by the MITRE Corporation. This app, an ingenious creation, empowers users to photograph unfamiliar drones and send them to a processing engine for analysis. The engine, running a computer vision machine learning algorithm, scrutinizes the images, identifying drones and determining their locations. What makes CARPE Dronvm truly remarkable is its ability to harness the global network of smartphones. With 5.2 billion smartphones worldwide, each equipped with a camera and internet connectivity, this app turns every phone into a networked sensor. Available for both iOS and Android, it unites users worldwide in a battle against the drone menace. In a recent test, a drone embarked on a daring 31-mile journey from McEntire Joint National Guard Base to Poinsett Electronic Combat Range in South Carolina. Along the route, soldiers equipped with government-supplied smartphones stood vigilant. As the drone soared overhead, they snapped photos, uploading them to the app's server. Meanwhile, a simulated command center at Poinsett compiled the sightings on a situational awareness map. CARPE Dronvm's strength lies in numbers. The more people who adopt it, the more robust the system becomes. But with great numbers comes great data to sift through. Still, it remains cost-effective, a critical advantage when countering inexpensive drones that could wreak havoc with explosive payloads. In the battle between cost and security, CARPE Dronvm tips the scales in our favor. However, questions linger beyond the battlefield. What happens when civilians in non-combat zones, like the continental United States, download and use the app? Where does their information go? Moreover, the command center that collects drone sightings also possesses user locations. For civilians valuing their privacy, this poses a real concern. CARPE Dronvm stands as a testament to the power of innovation and community. In the midst of adversity, it unites people around the world, turning their smartphones into a formidable force against the drone threat. But as we embrace this revolutionary technology, we must also grapple with the implications it holds for peacetime and privacy. The future is here, and with it, new challenges and possibilities arise in our ongoing quest for safety and security.